You gonna make a video? Check this out. Storm. I was trying to get a better angle. I don't think this is it. They had lightning in the sky. I was trying to show y'all, but I ain't gonna be here long. I need a better angle. I see Sierra dust in the sky. I can't breathe. I need my mask. I tried. I'm getting wet already. The lightning gone. We gonna holler at you in the future. Cause yeah. It's all good. It's all good. White thing. I need to go inside or something. There's a storm coming. Storm. Y'all ain't know I named my son that. Next time, y'all, peace. Love everybody. Hi, we ain't done. We ain't done.